الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Bismillah wa salam ala Rasulullah. I will be talking about the EIECC assignments and applications. It's very important to concentrate with me here. Now, most importantly, I want each team with the facilitators to be together. So you have to make sure that you have a good contact with each other. That's one thing. Secondly, make sure you have your own team, WhatsApp, EIECC WhatsApp team on your own, in addition to the big group. Thirdly, you're supposed to be no more than 5, maximum 5 members in each team. Fourthly, now what do? You have to meet on a weekly basis, 2 hours. Okay? After that, or before that, you need to have spent 2 hours on a weekly basis individually, again I will repeat this, individually, every member of the team is supposed to cover this content. This is your content that you will mix with what Abdul Rahman had already sent you, the links for the pamphlets, for the exhibits, the YouTubes, all you have them. So basically you are supposed to cook up all of these and produce 40 messages. We call them 40 cross-cultural communication messages. So please work hard on that. What is your recipe? Kids, communication and learning letter. Kids, communication and learning letter. So this is your recipe that you are supposed to use in your cooking of these messages. So you have to produce these messages. Now, what do you do with these messages? With these messages, you're supposed to use the social, you're supposed to constantly use the social media, you're supposed to be sending these messages during the 8 weeks. Okay, this is one. Secondly, you're supposed to use these messages in your meeting with the 3 non-Muslims. Okay? What has remained is you are supposed to report this meeting with the non-Muslim when you meet together. After that, you're supposed to produce a PowerPoint presentation from the book of the Athan. And all the information that you have today, you need to put it together, take it with you, clean it, edit it, rearrange it, and do a good, basically, preparation for your PowerPoint presentation at the end. Now, what is the project? There is a project that is called Collective Project. I want you to come up with a poster, an exhibit like the one you've done. Maybe you can come up with YouTubes with something beautiful like scenarios I've heard today. These are your own projects. On your own, you can continue doing this on your own. But most importantly, we need to have a collective effort from all the teams about this beautiful Adhan projects like Ma'raf, as if you are going to have a big Ma'raf like Asma Allah al-Husna.
حي على الصلاة.